How to unfriend someone on your Snapchat. So today I will guide you through the easy method to unfriend someone on your Snapchat. Just make sure to watch the video till the end so that at the end of the video you will get an idea to unfriend someone on your Snapchat. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. Firstly, open a Snapchat application. Once you open it, log into your Snapchat account and then tap on the chats icon at the bottom left corner to access the chat section. So to unfriend someone on Snapchat, simply you need to tap and hold the user or the Snapchatter here and select manage friendship. And on this multiple option, you need to select remove friend. And if you are confirmed that you want to unfriend this friend on Snapchat, then you need to tap on remove. Then once you tap on remove, they will be successfully unfriended from Snapchat. So that is how we easily unfriend someone on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.